Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: enough disk space, recent backups, and a maintenance window. Once ready, stop the search service to obtain a consistent snapshot. Make sure to notify users. Export current index metadata and record configuration versions so you can revert if needed. Then run a lightweight integrity check on source data to detect corruption before indexing. These actions prevent wasted work and make the rebuild deterministic. Finally, prepare the rebuild command with target shards and batch sizes, and stage it in the maintenance plan. Begin the rebuild by launching a small-scale dry run on a replica set to validate mappings and analyzers. Monitor memory, CPU, and I/O. Pause and adjust batch sizes if you see thrashing. Translate mappings or tokenizers that changed since the last build, and normalize dates and language settings before ingestion. Use parallel workers with controlled concurrency to balance throughput against latency. Once the dry run completes with clean logs, snapshot the new index and compare document counts and key term distributions to the old index. Switch traffic in stages, redirect a small percentage of queries to the rebuilt index, validate results, then ramp up. Monitor error rates, relevance metrics, and response times. Make sure to keep the old index available for quick rollback. When fully promoted, retire the old index and update documentation and runbooks. If you encounter slow queries or missing documents, check shard allocation, analyze slow logs, and rerun the integrity check. Often a misaligned mapping or an overlooked analyzer causes issues. Finally, schedule periodic incremental refreshes to keep the index current.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.